Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another tutorial in Endless Runner series. That's in Unreal Engine 5.4. And in this tutorial, we are going to make a infinite floor spawning system in which the floors will keep on spawning in right front of us whenever we collide with this collider. So, and you can also get the project files on my Patreon. So let's jump into the tutorial. Let's start our tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we created this floor for our Endless Runner game. And in this tutorial, we are going to make this floor spawn infinite times. So we have a floor up front, so we can move on that floor infinite time for the infinite time. So right now, our character is moving left and right, and it's moving forward infinitely, constantly, without pressing any key. But there is an end to the floor. Now in this tutorial, we are going to make this tile spawn for the infinite times. For that, simply go into the content folder and go in our Endless Runner folder. Create a new folder, name it actors. So inside this folder, we will create mostly our blueprint classes. So now right click, blueprint class, actor, and call it BP floor. So okay, open it and simply add static mesh. We can call it SM floor. Now search for SM floor, which we created in the last tutorial. So it will be like a cube. So in the material, we are going to, so in the SM floor, static mesh floor, you will see materials. And in the previous tutorial, we created our MI material instant floor crate. Now, if you remember from our previous tutorial, we gave the value of 20 on the x-axis, 10 on the y-axis, and 0.25 on the z-axis. You can simply right click here, copy, and in the scale, paste it here. Now you need to drag it here. This is the important thing to do. So it's the starting end of the tile should be at here. Otherwise, you will get little problems when we spawn the tiles. So okay. Now our tile is ready. Now let's go back here, delete it. Now drag our tile from the blueprints. Okay. Yes, that's fine. Perfect. Now we are going to make it spawn infinite times. For that, go back and we need to place box collision. Box collision. Box collision spawn next. Okay. Now drag it here. Let's rename it box collision end of tile. That's better. Right at this point. It's perfect. So now whenever character collides with that collision box, this event and this event will fire up. Click on plus icon inside here. So this is the character which is going to collide with that collider. So, and this is our third person character. Other character cost to TP. So right now we want to check whether we are colliding it with that collision box or not. For in the easy way of testing is to use print strings and name it yes we collided and give it a color of red. Okay. So on the top here you can see we collided. So let's do a small thing, make it visible inside the game so we can see where is our collider hidden in the game. Uncheck it. Now go back. Now we can see our collider. Yes, we can collide. Okay. So now we want when our character collides with that collision box, we want to spawn this tile again in front of it. For that we need arrow. And bring that arrow here. Okay. Now the next tile will spawn right at this point. A for arrow. Spawn next floor. So we have to rename it to call it floor, so we are not confusing with floor and tile, because sometime I am saying tile and sometime I am saying floor. Both are the same thing. Okay. So go back here. This is our event begin overlap. We know we are colliding now. So after that, spawn actor from class. Now select BP floor or any other blueprint actor or any other floor you want to spawn right in front of the current floor. Right now we want to spawn this one. So in the spawn transform, we have to tell it where actually we want to spawn that floor. Split it and bring it here, because that arrow is our indicator where we want to spawn the next tile. So get world location. Okay, so that's a and put it here. We can also get world rotation, because we want the rotation of the arrow is in front direction and its location is there, so we want both things same. That's why we give location and rotation here. You can also get these both information using grid world transform. So inside here you can get location and rotation, so it's up to you how you want to use it. So I think let's try it. So go back to our editor, let's play it. Let's see. Yes, now it's working perfectly. The moment we collide with the end of the moment we collide with the collider, the next tile spawns right in front of us. Now if we pause it, there is a little problem. So if we move our camera back, you will see that the old tiles are still there. It means when we keep on moving, and let's say we travel a long distance, all these tiles will be in our memory. That will cause stutter and FPS drop. So here comes a little optimization, and in the next video we are going to remove the previous tile. First remove the previous tile as soon as we move to the next tile. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.